Today I'm going to show you how to patch a hole in your concrete floor. This one is in the basement. There's all dirt in here. You can see that. I'm going to clean this all out and I'm going to show you how to fill this in. Very simple project, and I will get started. Take all this dirt out. Clean all this out good. Clean all the edges really well. Take these little roots out of here too, because we can. Found this little gem in there. English lime. Okay. Okay, so what I did is I cleaned all the dirt out, which you could see, and kind of washed the edges. It's about a 120-year-old house or so there's a lot of dirt, but I like to kind of clean the edges off just so when you put the new concrete in there, it bonds to the side a little bit better. So now I'm going to mix up the concrete mix. So I'm going to use Sakrete high strength concrete mix. I use the 60-pound bags, a little bit easier to handle. And a little tip is to put a little water in the wheelbarrow, if that's what you're going to mix in. I like to put a little in there because it makes it a little bit easier to mix. And then I'm going to show you how to install it in the spot. Okay, as you can see, I started to put some concrete in the hole. Gonna dig it right out of this bucket. Probably not gonna need it all. And I'm gonna take my float, pack it all in there good. And I guess I'll dump some of this back out. Use a small trowel. Pack it all in there nice. It's a little bit wet. So you don't want to mess with it too much. You're just spreading it out for now, because when it sets up some more, you want to level all this out, because it's kind of slumping right now because it's a little juicy, but we like it because it will get settled right in there. And we'll let that set for a little while and then we'll finish it off. Okay, looks like we're good to go here. I'm just gonna, still a little wet, but I'm just gonna press that in, and it'll be good to go. I'll wash this stuff off here, and that's it. Easy little patch. When it sets up a little more, you can trowel it one more time. This is a basement floor, so, and it's good to do a smooth finish. That way, if you ever need to sweep it, you can sweep it up easier.